You got one way, but you're turning towards me. Yeah, you're gonna crash into somebody. Okay. There you go. There you go. You got this. You got this. Turn around. Charlie, turn around. There you go. Come back this way. Come back this way. There you go. You. No, I would sink that boat. You got this. You're good at this.
This is my first time.
I know. Look at you go. All right. All right, turn around. Come back. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Don't fall. Come back this way, okay? Turn towards me. There you go. You got. You got it. Woo! Come on back this way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't lose your paddle. Turn around. Come on. Okay, come on. Come straight towards me. Straight towards me. Towards me. Turn, 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 turn. Turn, turn. You totally got this. No, 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 not too far in the water. There you go. There you go. You are great at this.
Can we get a canoe?
No. That's not how this works. Okay. Really good at this. Take out your mom. You like this, huh?
Yes.
This is fun.
Can we rent a canoe?
No, you're doing good. Hey, keep it up by you. You're gonna lose that paddle, and I'm not going to get it.
I'm gonna.
No, you can't get out of the boat. Here, pull me. There you go. I'll trail behind you. No, you don't splash me in the face, you doof. Charlie. All right, go. You got to turn around before you get to the buoys, okay? Don't crash into anybody. Turn around. Come on, Charlie. There you go. Now come on. doing good. I'm really proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You're doing really, really good.
That's because I'm awesome.
That's because you're awesome?
Yes.
You're so humble.
Wait, want me to go with the...
No, no, you stay right there. That's your seat, okay? You don't want to rock it too much. You'll fall over. No, Charlie.
Put this on my channel.
Put that on your what? Okay, I will. Goof. You hold it in the middle, right? You spread your arms. There you go. Well, you're supposed to hold it a little farther out. You're having a lot of fun, aren't you? You're having a lot of fun, aren't you? Don't take out the camera, man. You're gonna fall out the boat. Watch what you're doing.
Oh, I nearly actually fell. I'm gonna move to the back.
No! Stay where you're supposed. Don't. Stay. You'll tip the canoe over. You do that. Charlie, don't.
Hello. Greetings.
Okay, that's enough. See, you want to try that next? Where you stand up? You got the balance for that? I don't know. You keep trying to trip. You keep trying to tip over the canoe, so not sure you'd make it on the paddleboard. Hey, the grown-ups got off the trampoline. Where are you going? Okay, watch out for people, though. You jump where I can see you, not by the ladder. You watch out for people on the ladder. Stand up to jump. Don't. Make it epic, dude.
You okay, Milo?
You're okay. You gotta stand up to jump, but don't do it on the ladder. People are trying to get up, honey. Charlie, make it epic. No pushing. That's not nice. All right, ready? Go for it, dude. There you go. You got it. All right.
You gotta get on the truck.
Come on, Charlie. This way. Yeah, that's Milo. Reggie! You're gonna do a front flip, all right? It's called a nosedive, man. Charlie, jump this way! Wasn't a flip. Okay, stand up and jump, okay? Not slide. Don't do the slide thing the other girl did, is stand up and jump. You can do it. Come on, man. Charlie, for the channel. Yeah, I know. That's how we got here. They won't let anybody else do it. No, back up and stand. Then walk a little farther. Come on, honey. You can stand up and then walk to the edge. Stand up closer towards the middle. Stand up towards the middle of the island. Yeah, and then walk to the edge. Ooh, honey, you're going to hurt yourself on that ladder.
Let go.
Well, yeah, I guess. Let me back up a little. Okay. Now you come. There you go. There you go. You got it. Go for it.
Is it time to go?
We gotta go.
All right. Good job.
Ow! What?
What'd you? Okay. Okay, but I want you to stand up to jump, okay? And you jump towards me, okay? All right, Charlie? I know. You could actually do the trampoline and stuff. Bounce up and down. Bounce towards me.
Oh, I tried it.
Charlie. Towards me.
Just running around.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You what? We'll go in straight, feet in.
Okay.
This time. Or cannonball.
Don't spit on there. Gross. All right. Okay, ready? Go. I'm this way. Turn around. You okay?
Should put the life vest on.
Why?